smart people like NASA Man to tell us more. NASA Man, you're joining us from somewhere, well, looks like you're here, but you're going to space?
yeah, close enough. For the first time, a NASA satellite watched a black hole shred apart and devour a distant star. This phenomenon is extremely rare. Carnegie astronomer Tom Holloy joins us now with more on this awesome event. Tom, this is so cool. I understand you have family here.
Yes, I do, actually. Hi, Uncle Tom, Aunt Diane. Good to see you
guys.
Oh,
so
very
cool.
nice, very nice. Also, almost as cool as that information we just shared with you is this black hole swallowing a star. This is crazy. What was it like when the information came in? Did everybody just go nuts when you guys figured out what you saw?
Yes, this is really cool. It's something that we've found a few of these before, but what was really interesting about this is that NASA's TESS satellite, which looks for planets, was already looking at this part of the sky. And so we knew that we would be able to see the exact moments when it started to get brighter and be able to measure exactly how it was getting brighter, which is something we've never been able to do before. So we were really excited. We started following it up with as many other telescopes as we could, and ended up with this great data set that has data from space, from all over the globe, and it's just really great.
Now, when you're saying we followed up with as many telescopes as you could, in the movies, we see this, you know, like they see aliens or something like that, and everybody gets in the phone. Is it like that? Is there like a text thread, or how does that work?
Yes, I mean, mostly email, but I was actually at a telescope in Chile at the time, observing some other things, and what happened was we got the discovery alert. I work on a survey called ASSASSIN, the All-Sky Automated Survey for Supernovae, and we were the ones who discovered this. So we got an alert in South Africa, and I was able to trigger telescopes in Chile within a day to observe this. And we also asked NASA for information and for observations with their SWIFT satellite. And of course, we got the test data a little while later. So we ended up with this great coordinated observing effort that NASA really helped us out with, which was great.
That is really interesting, really interesting. Okay, so as we learn about this, what does this mean, and what can we extrapolate from this information? What can we learn from this?
Sure. So what we're seeing is the star actually falls in towards the black hole, gets a little bit too close, and the gravity from this black hole, the difference between the front and back sides is so strong that it tears the star apart. And all this gas that used to be in the star then falls onto the black hole. It gets really hot and it glows so we can observe it. And this lets us learn things about the black hole itself, because all the light we're seeing is being caused by this interaction, this impact that the black hole is having on its environment.
That is so interesting, man. I'm totally into this. Okay, so yeah, we're dealing with negative space. Yeah, without that gas around it, we wouldn't be able to see anything, would we? And one final question for you. Yeah, exactly. My producer, Tessa, says that the TESS satellite was named after her. Is that true or false?
So TESS stands for the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, but she can go ahead and keep claiming that if she wants to.
All right, thank you very much. Thanks for joining us. What an amazing discovery, man. That is so cool, so cool. Really we appreciate you joining us this morning. All right, there you go. Back to you guys.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
That is